in effect from Tuesday morning through Wednesday morning. Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible. The areas affected include, in Minnesota, Crow Wing, Pine, Carlton, Southern St. Louis, Aitkin and Cass counties, and Wisconsin, Burnett and Douglas counties. This includes the tribal land of the St. Croix Band in Burnett County, the Fond du Lac Band and the Mille Lacs Band, Big Sandy Lake, East Lake, Hinkley and Lena Lake areas. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from Tuesday morning through Wednesday morning. The following impacts are expected. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Additional details: strong low pressure will bring widespread showers and thunderstorms to the Northland with the potential for heavy rain and flooding. Flood safety information can be found at www.weather.gov/safety/flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.